Hey good people, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all staying safe during this quarantine. Today we are using Elite Design Systems Dip Powder by Premium Nails, the color Rose Petal. You're going to need your gel base, you're going to need your activator, and you are going to need a finishing gel for this step. I am using an example because my nails are done and my roommate's nails are done. So I'm just going to show you how to do this on a stick. So I'm removing the shine, which is important. Make sure you remove the shine from your natural nail, buff it, get off the oils and what have you. Now for step one, this is a gorgeous color, it's Rose Petal. We are going to walk back the powder. What I mean by that is we are going to go toward the back a few inches at a time so that is not too thick on your natural nail. If you have seen my other tutorials, please be sure to abide by that because we don't want bulky looking nails. I always stress we don't want bulky looking nails, so we always layer the dip powder. Let it dry a little bit in between, dust off any excess powder. And we're going to repeat this step twice.
Music bed.
After that final dip, I was busy looking at the color because it reminded me of one that I've created already. But once I finished buffing and doing the third part, the activator, it was darker. The color was a true deep rose petal, which I ended up loving towards the end. So stay tuned. And for the activator, this portion is extremely important because it dries and solidifies what we did with the base and the gel. So you make sure you never skip this step or else your nails will never dry. And once you have done this, you want to let it sit for about 2 minutes to make sure it's completely dry. And once those 2 minutes are up, you want to go in and buff any imperfections and also repeat step 3 just to be sure that you didn't buff off too much. And this also helps your final step, which is finishing gel, dry. And after you have let your activator dry completely, you are now able to go in for that final step, which is your finishing gel. And you want to apply this twice but you want to wait 2 minutes in between each coat to make sure that it is drying and that it will dry evenly. I made that mistake and it's not pretty and it hardens your brush. So that will be an awesome time to use your brush saver. If not, just make sure you are waiting 2 minutes between each coat.